Kia ora, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Alvi, and today we are doing the final paper review by the German Rooster brand. I still have yet to figure out how to pronounce the name of. This is the Mole-Made Watercolour. This is 100% pure cotton rag, and it is 640 GSM, which is so thick. It is like just okay. It's definitely bulky. So yeah, we're just gonna do a couple paintings. This is the last one to do before I can kind of give my overall opinions, which I have been giving through each video, regardless. Already needs a lot more water to spread the paint out. If anyone's curious, this is cold pressed textured paper, which gotta love cold press. And yeah, kind of just painting away. The amazing model for these two photos is my darling cat. Just doing what she does best and mucking around. But I thought that'd be a nice way to end the series. Just cats. Because who doesn't love cats, am I right? And I thought it would be a nice change from seagulls or New Zealand birds. I know I've done cats before, but that's beside the point. Already, I find it much easier to control the paint on the paper and where it goes. But we'll just see where that goes. But yeah, definitely need a lot more water to move it around over the texture. This cat in particular loves boxes or anything that's like a small surface area where it kind of, I feel like it acts like a bubble for her, where she just acts like no one can touch her, It's like an invincible spot. And so in the kitchen there tends to be a box just for her, or a stool, which is pretty funny. The bleeding's it's quite nice. And then we change the brown up a little bit. For the back of the box. This paper is so far pretty nice to work on and stuff, but I can only imagine how expensive this paper would be to just like maintain and keep buying and stuff. Like, if you're selling a professional piece and you want like really reliable material that will enhance your paint and watercolor and stuff, then this is probably for you. And you don't mind spending, and you don't mind spending money on expensive paint, then this is probably for you. But yeah, I'd say definitely just for professional pieces that you plan on selling rather than just for the sake of painting on. And now with that guy done, we go on to gouache, which is this little one. Same cat. She is definitely, a great model. She takes pride in her hiding spots, which is always great. Yeah, it's a little hard to move the gouache around on this paper. And that's just because it's quite textured and thick, so doesn't allow for much movement. Yeah, not my favourite for gouache. I'd recommend hot press for it. And now for the bag. Cat's not quite out of the bag here. Yeah, definitely harder to move the paint around on this paper, particularly with the gouache. Now for more of the shadowy area of the bag. bluish. It's a very suspicious bag. I'm not a fan of how the paints have been drying on this paper. From what I see, it dries, yeah, not like it loses a lot of texture, stuff you tend to build up. So you'd need to work on a lot of layers for this paper. And if you're a layers person, then it's perfect for you. But I don't particularly like working in lots of layers, so it's not my thing. But this one's dried, and not completely dried, but dried a lot, and it will need like many layers for it to build up to the kind of darkness and depth I would want in a piece that on other paper you wouldn't need to build up as much. I know it's just the quality of cotton paper, but still I see it's quite prominent in this particular paper. And yeah, so overall it's slightly disappointing with this paper, but it is what it is. I've really enjoyed doing this little series of little paintings and stuff, so thank you guys for joining along. I've got a stack of artworks here. Definitely enjoyed the first three the most. The hemp paper was surprising. I definitely preferred gouache on here. The bamboo paper was quite enjoyable, as was the agar. So if I ever see those, I won't shy away from it. The watercolour papers, especially this one, this is probably one of my favourites, was really nice to work with, particularly for the gouache. Probably my favourite to work with for the gouache. And then this one was nice as well. And yeah, just enjoying the pile of stuff. So thank you for watching this series if you've stuck around. But yeah, have a good day.